All right, how is everyone doing today? Back again with another video for everyone. And this one should be really quick. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the CMF by Nothing power charger, the 65-watt triple port power charger. Now, this is also another product that I picked up from CMF, from Amazon. I actually picked up all three of the CMF products from Amazon. So I got the earbuds, I got the triple port power charger, which is what we're unboxing and giving our first impressions of in this video. And then I also got the watch. So y'all be on the lookout for my unboxing and first impressions of the watch. But this power charger really caught my attention because one, I do like the overall design, and it is fairly small and compact. And two, it comes with all of the features that you would want to see from a Gant power charger. So you have surge protection, you have overcharge protection, you have low voltage protection, you have overheating protection, you have intelligent fast charge, and you have flame resistance. Okay, so all really good stuff here. And for the price that it was available for, I figured why not? Why not? And actually, I have a charger video coming up soon where I go over some of the recommended chargers and cables that I recommend people pick up for their devices. I might add this to that video. It depends. We got to test it first and find out. But I got to say, much like the unboxing of the headphones, I do like the packaging from CMF. It is really nice. You got a really nice color scheme here. And I do like that indentation of the power brick. Okay, so it's like a raised indentation and it pokes out the back. I like that. I like that a lot. And you can see the picture of the product on the front here. Flipping it over to the back, we got some SEC warranty information and barcode information right here. And then we got some more information down there. Okay, and then to open it, you just slice this open tab and then you just open it up. Really easy to open. Okay. And then I also really like how they have diagrams of everything on the inside. So you can see it gives you a diagram of the triple ports. Okay. And then it comes with a user manual. Okay. I'm going to go over what you need to know about this charger in this video. Then I'm going to do my testing and I may come back in a full review and let y'all know how it performs. So taking it out the box here, let me throw the packaging off to the side. Okay. And here is the charger from CMF by Nothing. And you can see it's triple ports. And I'm holding it upside down. It's triple ports. So we got one USB-A and then we got two USB-Cs. All right. And let's get into the important information aside from all the surge protection and that stuff that I talked about earlier. One and two important things that you need to know about this charger. Now, it supports all the way up to Quick Charge 4.0, okay? And it is FMI certified, so it can charge Apple devices at their fastest rates as well. And it also can support uh, charging smartphones, tablets, laptops, notebooks, even small mini PCs. This triple port Gant 65-watt charger can actually charge a lot. But that's something that's very important to know. You have support for up to Quick Charge 4.0 with this charger. Okay? And it is MFI certified. So it is certified to charge Apple products at their fastest rate. Okay? And then lastly, the next important thing that you guys and gals need to know is how the charging speeds are laid out. So, if you're using just the USB-A port by itself, you don't have anything else plugged in, the USB-A port maxes out at 35 watts. Okay? Now, if you're using any one of the USB-C ports by themselves, it maxes out at 65 watts. So to get the full 65 watt, you have to be using one port at a time, and it has to be one of the USB-C ports here. Okay? Now, if you plug in two things, right? If you're using the two USB-C ports, right? It's going to be one is going to be limited to 20 watts, and the other one is going to be limited to 45 watts. Okay, so if you're using just the USB-C ports together, 20 watts for one, 45 watts for the other, right? Now, if you're using one of the USB-C ports and the USB-A port, it's going to be 18 watts for the USB-A port and 45 watts for the USB-C ports, right? Now, if you're using all three ports at the same time, it's going to be 7.5 watts for the USB-A port, 7.5 watts for the middle USB-C port, and 45 watts for the bottom USB-C port. So that's important to know. If you want to get the fastest speeds out of this Gantt charger, you have to be using one port at a time or two ports at a time, but you got to really plug in the device that supports that maximum speed. So for reference, older Apple devices support up to 20 watts. So if I was charging my iPhone 11, I could plug it into the USB-C port here and have USB-C to Lightning out here, and then plug in my Android device here, and I will get 45 watts here and then 20 watts here, right? Or if I was charging an older device with the USB-A port, if I'm charging that and using one of the USB Type Cs, this is only getting 18 watts, while these are getting 45 watts. But if I use all three at the same time, this is getting 7.5 watts, this is getting 7.5 watts, and this is getting 45 watts. Okay, so that's very important to know. And that, guys and gals, pretty much goes over my unboxing and first impressions of the 65-watt Gantt charger from CMF by Nothing. Now, I'm going to use this straight through for about 2 weeks, and I'm gonna come back with my full review and let you guys and gals know what I think. Um, First impressions, one negative that I don't like about the charger already. Talking about first impressions, they did not include a certified cable that works with the charger, right? So CMF, nothing. Maybe for the next generation, you should include a actual cable that is known to work with the charger, because now I have to go try out different cables until I find one that works. Now, granted, I do have super high quality cables, like these cables I use support up to 240 watts, right? So I do have super high quality cables. I think the lowest grade cable that I have supports up to 45 watts. So I'm going to try out all my different cables and see, but that is a negative right there. CMF, nothing. Y'all should have included a certified, known to work cable with this Gantt charger. All right, but that's it. That's all the negatives that I see right off the jump. I'm gonna start my testing now, and I'll let you guys and gals know in the full review if I recommend this charger or not. Now, just for reference, recording all the audio for this video here today, I am using the microphones from the Buds Pro, the CMF Buds Pro. So all the audio for this video today is being recorded with the Pixel 6a, but the audio is coming straight from my Bluetooth connected device. All right, and I do not have speech enhancement turned on, so this is the raw audio coming straight from the mics on the CMF Buds Pro. So y'all let me know how the overall audio sounds. This video here today is being recorded in 1080p using the primary camera from the Google Pixel 6a. So y'all let me know how the overall video quality looks. And yeah, that does it for this video. If this video piques your interest, I'll have affiliated links as to where you can pick up this charger and the earbuds as well as the watch down below in the video description. And as the name implies, when you use those affiliated links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone. I'll also have all of my extended coverage linked up down below on these CMF products. So any and all other coverage you would like to see would be linked up down below in the video description as well. So again, the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here.